You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
Today's daily shoutout goes to you. If you would like to receive a daily shoutout, all you have to do is comment on my new video, comment on my Roblox group wall, or buy some merch. And yeah, let's go on to the video. Hi guys, Gummy here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to import stuff into Blender. So first, go to Roblox Studio, and click base plate right here. Yeah, so click base plate, and it should take a second to load in. But once you load in, you're going to need the load character plugin. I'll have that link down below. But if for some reason you can't click the link or anything, you can go here and go to plugins. And then go to the search and search load character. And then it should be here. It should be by Already Pro. Oh, and it's right here. Just the first thing for plugins. And yeah. But it'll be linked down below too. And once you have your load character plugin, go to click plugins right here. And click load character. Load character. And then this thing should pop up. And then make sure this X is on spawn at origin. And make sure you click R6 when you have your character. So I'm just going to search my character. And then I'm going to click R6. So it's going to spawn R6. And now that it's here, all you're going to want to do, I'm just moving around right now because I want to get a good view. Just right click on your character name. Right click on this. And then click export selection where my mouse is. And then select where you want to save it to. I suggest desktop just because it's easy to find. And then put the name of what you want it to be. Make sure you remember what you're saving it as. I always have GFX in the name of the stuff I'm saving, so I know it's for a GFX. And then you click save when you're done. And then you can delete this when you're done. You just right click on it and click delete. That's optional. I just like to do it. So I remember that I already saved that. Now to get a room model, you just search room, or you can search pink room. You can just search whatever you want. There's so much stuff you can search. But I'm gonna go look for a room now.
One day we'll set away bell sounds to kiss a girl. When the rainbow's over, you kiss, no one needs to know. It's like a dream, I dream, Peter Pan for you, oh my, oh oh.
Okay, so I'm done with my room model I have here. So once you're done choosing your room model, all what you're going to want to do is do the same steps for getting your character. So right click on the model. It should be called model, but it can be called something different. Just right click on that and click export selection. And you can select where you want it to go. I just want to keep it at desktop. I'm going to name it room GFX, but you can name it whatever you want. Just make sure you remember the name. Now I'm going to open Blender. Okay, so I'm at Blender now. I'll have that link down below. You can just click anywhere you want to get rid of that. And then make sure you have this selected. Right click to select stuff and click X and enter, or you can just click delete here to get rid of that block. And then what we're going to want to do is click on file and then go to import and click wavefont OBJ. So import wavefont OBJ. And then just select your file. Okay, now our character's in, and as you can see, it's all gray. There's no color in it at all. So there's a simple solution to this. All you want to do is click on this little snowball here and click material. Oh, okay. So guys, I did a mistake. Make sure you click 𝐸𝐵𝐾𝐿's before you import anything. Because or else it's going to look weird like it does right now. And yeah, and you want to do the same steps for the ROM. So just make sure you click 𝐸𝐵𝐾𝐿's before importing anything. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment what was your favorite part of the video. And I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.